All right, making a pressure tester for my 10AN line for the oil cooler. I keep having leakage issues, so I just bought this. This is a 10AN male thread to a 1/8 MPT female thread. And I just bought a Schrader valve with the 1/8 MPT. Put that in. I'm going to thread this into the right angle 90-degree adapter over here. I capped or plugged this in with a 10AN plug. I'm putting some of the power steering fluid on there, just on the flared parts, and then basically going to thread that in until it stops, and then go a quarter turn. That's what Earl's recommends on their pressure tester kit. All right, so that's hand tight, and then I'm going to basically pressurize it up to about 50 psi in the line, and then dunk it in water and look for bubbles. All right, so I've got my Schrader valve on there. I'm pressurizing it up to 50, 60, 75 psi, something like that. First, I'll just leave this gauge hooked up and see if it holds air. If it does, then I'll put it in the water, look for bubbles. So right now I'm almost up to 75 psi in the line. This is a PTFE line, by the way, so it should be easily able to handle this kind of pressure. Okay, so it looks like it's holding steady. All right, we'll dunk it in water next. So I've been letting it sit at 100 psi, and I can already see the pressure's going down, so I have a leak somewhere. I know that for sure. I'm going to dunk it in the water and see if I can see the bubbles. Find out where they're coming from. So I definitely have a leak. Question is, where is the leak coming from? Right there. Okay, I can see it very clearly. We're coming out of the connection right here. Mystery solved. I'm going to try tightening this just a hair, but I don't think that's going to solve it.